Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello everyone, Norhalma here once again, welcoming our subscribers and podcast listeners. If you're new here, thank you for allowing us to share insightful marketing, accounting, and production tips and strategies for your construction business. In episode 566 today, Sherry DeHart discussed marketing your construction business, how to make it work for you. Let's get into it. Marketing your construction business is crucial for its growth and success. You can use various strategies to promote your business, such as creating a website, networking, social media marketing, and advertising. Additionally, sponsoring events and collaborating with other companies can help you reach a wider audience. I understand how daunting it can feel for construction business owners like you. We've been there. Whether you're new to the game or have been in business for a while and haven't quite cracked the code, navigating the marketing world can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Your business deserves to be seen, heard, and thriving. With the proper guidance, you can make marketing work for you. Let's unravel the puzzle starting from square one. First, defining your target audience. Know thy client, the key to tailored marketing. Before you shout your brand from the rooftops, you must know who you're calling to. Understand the demographics and psychographics of your ideal customer. Are they young professionals, parents, or retirees? What problem do they face that your product or service can solve? The better you know your customer, the better your marketing will resonate. Second, uncover data gold with market research. Don't rely on guesswork. Dive into market research. It's how you find the who and the why of your business. This doesn't have to be a complex, expensive ordeal. Start with online surveys or asking family, relatives, and friends in your neighborhood, as well as interviews, social media insights, and competitor analysis. The information you gather here will be invaluable. Third, set clear goals that spark direction. The beacon of your marketing journey. Without clear objectives, your marketing can feel scattered, like throwing darts in the dark. Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for SMART. SMART goals. Are you aiming to increase website traffic by 30% in 6 months? Or boost sales by 15% at the end of the year? These goals keep you focused and make success less nebulous. Third, develop a marketing strategy. Mapping out your move. Once you've defined your target audience and your goals, it's time to set your marketing strategy. Your marketing strategy is the how behind your goals. Identify which channels your audience frequents. If you're targeting working millennials, perhaps Instagram is for you. A well-thought-out marketing strategy aligns your business objectives with the most effective messaging and channels. Next, consistency is king. Branding isn't just a logo or a tagline. It's the sum of all your customer interactions and experiences with your small construction business. Create a content calendar to ensure your brand is visible across all marketing platforms and your message remains consistent. This calendar should include blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and any other touchpoints relevant to your audience. Fifth, compelling content. The art of the story. Your content should inspire, educate, or entertain. Ideally, all three. Write as if you're speaking to a friend, addressing their problem with your service as the solution. Your content is the thread that weaves your story with your customers. Remember, compelling content isn't just about words. Images and videos can support your message. Visuals, the silent way. Humans are visual creatures. In fact, 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. High-quality, eye-catching images and videos can convey your message faster and stickier than words alone. Share photos of your before and after service provided or a video demonstrating its benefits. The more senses you engage, the deeper your marketing will resonate. Next, execution and monitoring. Making it happen and seeing it through. Take the plunge. It's showtime. Execute your marketing plan with gusto. Use CRM tools like HubSpot for email campaigns to save time and stay on track. Remember, marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and perseverance are key. And seventh, learning from your results. Every marketing initiative is a learning opportunity. Use Google Analytics, social media insights, and customer feedback to monitor how your campaigns are performing against your goals. Identify what's working and what's not, and adjust accordingly. The more you learn, the smarter your marketing will become. A word of encouragement and empowerment. You've got this. Marketing can be a roller coaster with its ups and downs, but you've already taken the crucial first step. You're learning and adapting. Trust in your journey, your construction business's uniqueness, and the value you provide. With persistence, creativity, and strategic thinking, your marketing activities will start to feel like second nature. Embrace the adventure. Think of marketing as an adventure. You're the explorer, and every campaign is a new frontier. It's okay if there's a trial and error, and even better if there's growth. You're an integral part of the narrative, and your customer eagerly awaits your next chapter. Remember, word-of-mouth referrals can also be a powerful marketing tool. So be sure to provide excellent service, build relationships with your clients, and ask for their feedback and referrals. Now, take these steps, make them your own, and enter the world of marketing with confidence. Your construction business isn't just another face in the crowd. Unique, valuable, and deserving of a spotlight. Let's make that happen. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Remember, we can help a little or a lot depending on your construction business needs. So if you would like to learn more on how to market your small construction business, or you would like to learn more on how to prepare for tax season, do your bookkeeping, or just confused about which product to purchase in our Fast Easy Accounting store, or what services to outsource to us, please don't hesitate to contact Sherry by calling our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770, Or you can also email her at Sherry, Sharie, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com. And of course, our promo code is still available for you to use as a thank you, of course, to our dear subscribers and listeners. If you need any accounting or bookkeeping templates, head on over at our Fast Easy Accounting store. And or if you need to enroll or would like to learn more about doing your own construction accounting, you can also go to constructionaccountingacademy.com, and both of these websites have a 20% discount for you. It's podcast 20, PODCAST 20, podcast 20. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes. And make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.